Hi there, awesome ones. Welcome to Digital DIY with Awesome Purse. As usual, I'm your presenter, Keelz. So today I'm going to be taking you through a quick tutorial, easy as breeze, and I'm going to be showing you how to simply cut or format a video. So a lot of persons really do not know how to do this, and of course we have other exciting topics to share with you. But as usual, please feel free to let us know what you think about your videos, and if you have any topic or any technical skill that you really want to learn, you can let us know. Share it in our comments, send us a DM, and we can definitely give you that tutorial. So here it goes. So this app is called 123 apps. You have a lot of other apps that you can use online. As usual, we will be showing you free online apps that you can use on virtually any device. It's quick and easy. We do not give you anything complicated on this side. So as I showed you how to save your files before, you click open, and of course our files are already labeled, so we click digital. And we are editing the last video that we shared with you. So it was 6 minutes, and we're going to be cutting it down a little bit. So we click it and it is open. Right. So while it loads, I'm going to be introducing you to this little play button which plays the video, and of course here is a timer that enables you to navigate the video or get it to the space that you wanted to cut down to. So here it goes. You want to cut this down to 2 minutes. Let's go back a little bit to 2 minutes. Wow, seems I've passed it. But guess what's happening here? You can see big one here. Change it. Change it. And that's it. 2 minutes on the video. If you want to test it out, you can play it right here. Hi there, awesome ones. Welcome to our digital. You can click it to progress along the video, and it will stay there. Rise, and that's 2 minutes. Now we're gonna save this file. So while it encodes, it goes to 100%. It's almost there. Stay with us, and we simply click save, and that's your video. When it has completed loading, you can click here, and that's simply it. You play it and you upload it on whichever device or wherever you plan to post. So guys, that's a quick and easy breezy tutorial. And as per usual, we thank you for tuning into Digital DIY with Awesome Purse. I'm your host, or your presenter, Keelz. And stay with us, guys. Follow us on social media at Awesome Purse, and we look forward to sharing with you another time. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful, awesome day. Bye.